Welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have this G83 M-Car in for one of our stance packages. So what we're going to be doing, we're going to be reducing the arch gap and then pushing out the wheels further outboard to make the stance much more aggressive. Obviously these cars from the factory, pretty hideous arch gap, and as you can see it's been completely resolved. So to see just how we got to this point, follow us along where we walk you through the whole process. So we've got all the parts beside me, let's walk you through them. First up, the big upgrade we're doing is the MMX Adjustable Lowering Springs or the Height Adjustable Spring Kit. So what that does is transforms the factory dampers into ride height adjustable coilovers, and how it does that is that you remove the factory springs and then you add in the MMX springs, which are optimized for slightly lower ride height, and then also you add in some adjustable spring patches. And what the adjustable spring patches allow you to do is to increase or reduce the arch gap so you can get it dialed in just how you like. And there's quite a big adjustment range on these. It's about 10 to 50 mil, depending on the model that it's being fitted. Obviously M2s, M3s, M4s all use the same kit, but then the lowering's slightly different. As well as that, we're going to be filling out the wheel arches a bit more, so pushing out the wheels outboard with a spacer kit on the front and the rear of the car, and then supplies for longer wheel bolts as well. And throughout the whole entire process, we're going to be renewing all the factory bolts, nuts, and then also the front top mounts and bearings, because they're a common noise complaint after install. Obviously you don't want to install all of this and then experience noise and have to take it all back out again and then refit it. And we're also going to be doing the wheel alignment as well, get it on our bias bar for q.lign system and get it all dialed in just nicely. So let's get everything fitted and see what it looks like. So the M4 is finished, let's talk you through exactly what we've done. So starting off at the front corner, we have reduced the arch gap about 35 mil and also pushed the wheels outboard. And what you can see here is we've got the steering wheel locked a little bit. We've also installed the AST arch clearance kit. And what that does is that it adds more clearance just here in the front of the arch, because the issue that you have with the wheel spacers and the springs is you have much less clearance. With the AST arch clearance kit, you get a lot more clearance, there's no annoying rubbing noises. And then over to the back of the car, it's very much similar, whereby we have dropped the ride height and then pushed the wheels further outboard. But on the front end and the rear end of the car, there's absolutely no rubbing or anything like that. So you're just free to completely enjoy the much more aggressive stance of the car. If you want a package like this for your G80 M3, G83 or G82 M-Car or even G87 M2, then head onto the website to order those parts. Or if you want to have the kit installed by our experienced techs in Southampton, then go in the description and send us a DM. Thank you for watching this video. If you haven't done already, then give us a thumbs up. If you want to watch some of our other videos that YouTube thinks you'll like, then click up here. If you want to watch some other videos in the same playlist, then click here. And if you haven't done already, then hit the subscribe button right here.